Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or for the new ones, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maths Mafia here. So today I will be explaining you how to do standard deviation. There's only 4 rules and keep in mind that we're doing a sample standard deviation. So the 4 rules are the mean, or here are the 4 rules if you guys want to read it. The mean of any sequence. So first we have to find out the mean of any sequence. Number 2, for each of the number of the sequences, for each of the number in the sequence, we have to subtract it with the mean, and then the answer we get, we have to square it. Then after that, we have to work out the mean of the squared numbers, and then take the square root out of them. So this is the formula we will be using over here. I've shown you guys a diagram. So this over here is the sum of, so this symbol represents sum of, so sum of anything, and then this x is the value in the data set, like any specific value, any number, and this symbol over here is the mean out of the data set, and then this n is the number of data points, so the amount of numbers in the sequence. But keep in mind we're doing samples, so we have to do this. We have to minus the number of data points by 1. Okay, so let's start. Let's start drawing our sequence. So we have 10, 8, 10, 8, 8, 4. So now we know that n equals to 6. So if we add all to get the mean, we have to add all of this and divide it by 6. So all of this equals 48. Equals to 48. All of this. That's 48, and now we have to divide it by 6, which gives us the mean of an 8. Now we have to subtract every number of the sequence from 8. So let's start on a new slide. We do 10. Now let's work this out. This over here gives us 2. So now what you have to do, we have to square these numbers. So square, 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 and square. So let's do it. This gives us 4. This gives us 0, 4, 0, 0, and this gives us 16. It gives us 16 because when you times a negative by negative, it gives a positive. So if we add all of these up, this gives us a total of 24. And now we have to divide it by 6 minus 1 equals 5. So that gives us a variance. So that gives us a variance of 4.8. So variance is like the number we got. So this is also equal to 4.8. But we are looking for standard deviation. So all we have to do now is just square root it. When we square root it, we get the standard deviation, and the standard deviation is 2.19. So there you go, guys. We found our standard variation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys cleared your doubts about standard variation, and I really appreciated the comments you guys gave from the last video. Yeah. So this is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like and share it.